Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana authentic waakye, and this is how I prepare my waakye. I also have the waakye stew on my channel. So for the waakye I have here Jasmine rice. Also I have here sorghum leaves and black eyed beans, and I'm going to use some coconut oil to flavor my waakye. It's optional, so let's get started. So before I start, I'll wash my sorghum leaves very well. You can soak it overnight, but I will just go ahead and boil it. So I already have my water boiling and I'm going to add it to it, and I'll be boiling it for about 5 minutes. So it also adds some reddish color to the rice. And waakye is basically rice and beans, locally called waakye, and it's also one of the most popular and demanding Ghana street food. And at this point I'm going to remove the leaves and I'll set it aside. So you can reuse these leaves again before you throw it away. And another way is to soak it overnight and store it in your freezer. So yeah, at this point I'm going to remove the leaves and set it aside, and I'm going to wash the beans and add it to it. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it, and I'll stir and cook it on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So for the beans, I'm not going to add any bicarbonate of soda or anything. I'm just going to cook it like that. And at this point I have already washed my rice and I'm going to add it to the beans. So I'll stir it and cover and cook on a medium heat. I'll also add my coconut oil for flavor. It's totally optional. It adds very nice flavor to the waakye, so you can try that. So it has been cooking for a while now, and I'm going to stir it again, and I'll cook it on a low heat for another few minutes. And at this point our authentic roadside waakye is done. Very simple and easy to cook. And to eat waakye, it's not just the waakye and the stew, it comes with a lot of accompaniments. So I've already prepared my shito, my spaghetti, I have my gari, my salad is fully loaded. Yes, that's how we eat waakye in Ghana. I have my fried fish, my fried eggs. So yes, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this recipe. So kindly leave me a comment in the comment section below what you think about this waakye. And also I've posted a video of how I prepared the waakye stew. It's fully loaded with all the waakye, the meat and everything. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and thank you all so much for watching. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.